In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unpublish your Ecwid site. This might come in handy if you're updating your site, need to make some big changes, or perhaps you're just taking a little break. Whatever your reason, the process is straightforward, and I'm here to walk you through it step by step. So grab a cup of coffee and let's get your site set to maintenance mode together. First off, head over to Ecwid's main page. If you're not familiar, Ecwid is a versatile e-commerce platform that lets you set up an online store quickly and easily. On their homepage, you'll find a comprehensive array of tools and resources, but for now, our focus is solely on accessing the back end of your store. To do that, you'll need to find and click on the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. This will direct you to a page where you can sign in to your account. One of the login options Ecwid provides is the ability to sign in with your Google account. This is a quick and convenient option if your Ecwid store is linked to a Google account. Go ahead and click on Sign In with Google. You'll then be prompted to select the Google account you want to use. If you're like me and have multiple Google accounts, make sure you select the one linked to your Ecwid store. This will streamline the process and get you to where you need to be faster. Once you've successfully logged in using your chosen Google account, you'll be taken directly to the Ecwid control panel. This is your command center where you can manage everything related to your online store. From the control panel, navigate towards the lower part of your screen. You'll notice a navigation bar or menu. Hover over or click on Settings. This will expand or present you with additional options related to the settings of your Ecwid store. In the Settings menu, one of the options will be General. Go ahead and click on that. This action will take you to a general overview of your store's settings. Here you can adjust various aspects of your store's operation, but for the task at hand, you're going to look for a very specific option. Scroll through the settings options until you find the Close Storefront for Maintenance feature. This might require a bit of scrolling, so keep your eyes peeled. Once you find it, don't hesitate to click on it. Activating this feature essentially puts your store in maintenance mode, effectively unpublishing your site from the public view. It's as simple as that. Your Ecwid site is now unpublished, meaning visitors won't be able to access your storefront. While this might seem like you're turning away business, it's actually a responsible step to ensure you're only showing your best face to your customers. Whether you're updating product listings, redesigning your site, or just on a temporary hiatus, this feature ensures that when customers return, they're met with a site that's better than ever. And just like that, we've walked through the process together. Unpublishing your Ecwid site is a straightforward task that requires just a few clicks, but knowing where to find and how to execute these steps can save you time and prevent any potential hiccups. Remember, whenever you're ready to go live again, simply reverse the process. Return to the general settings in your Ecwid control panel and deselect the Close Storefront for Maintenance option. Your site will go back to being live, welcoming customers with open arms, or in this case, open web pages. That wraps up today's tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Whether you're just starting with Ecwid or looking to master the platform, we're here to help you make the most of your online store. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.